Welcome Junior Tukkies, I am Ms. Kutsi and I'm here today to teach you about the microscope. So firstly we have the light source where light is shined from the bottom through my specimen. Then I have the fine and the coarse focus knob. If I adjust the coarse focus knob, you will clearly see the platform moving up and down. But if I move to the fine focus knob, it will move my platform up and down, but it's not noticeable in the video. Then if I move to the left hand side, I also have a little thing that can rotate where it moves the clips at the top and also my platform to the front and to the back. Then I will move over to the handle of the microscope where I can easily and comfortably carry the microscope. Then we have three objective lenses. So there we have the red, which is the smallest one. Then we have one that enlarges a little bit more, which is the yellow, and the blue one, which enlarges the most. So this will help us put our microorganism in focus. Then we have the eyepiece, and this is our first place where it enlarges the specimen. And then it's quite difficult to focus your eyes through the eyepiece, so you must just get the hang of it and get used to it. Let's look at a different view of the microscope. So I'm going to take the specimen, I will locate it within the clips of the microscope, and then you can adjust the specimen so that it is located directly above the light source. That's it for the microscope.